Every year, millions of lives around the globe are overshadowed by the threat of heart disease. Among the deadliest is aortic stenosis, a condition that narrows the heart's aortic valve, affecting blood flow and putting immense pressure on the heart. Globally, the condition affects around 9 million people, leading to severe health complications, even death. But now, from the heart of Australia's medical research community, a breakthrough that could change the future of medicine as we know it. The breakthrough has come about thanks to the clinical and scientific collaboration between Doctors Elena Juan Pardo and Abdul Idehid. The research they conducted here at the Harry Perkins Institute founded CoraMetix.
As a cardiologist, there's really two options for my patients. If you're young, that's typically open heart surgery and getting a mechanical heart valve. But that requires the patient to be on potent blood thinners for the rest of their life. The second option is a minimally invasive technique where we use valves that are made from animal tissue. But however, the animal tissue can degenerate quite quickly with time, particularly when you're young, and that requires patients to have repeat high-risk procedures. The actually really important message is that there is no treatment for this condition other than valve replacement.
Dr. Pardo's team at CoraMetix has developed a groundbreaking solution, a biopolymer-based 3D printed heart valve that promises to last a lifetime. This innovation, supported by Australia's National Biotech Incubator Curator, aims to deliver valves that mimic the mechanical properties and durability of human valves.
So heart valves are incredibly complex. They are very thin yet very strong. They open and close 30 to 40 million times per year without breaking. So when we need to imitate that, there is no material that can do that. So we looked at natural valves. They contain collagen fibers, and we can 3D print very small structures imitating the collagen fibers using polymers that can live the whole lifetime of a patient inside the body, getting the same good results as normal valves.
The need for such an innovation is critical. 1 in 8 Australians require surgery to replace heart valves.
What's exciting is not just the technology, but the potential to make this available and accessible and affordable to patients all over the world, and give them an opportunity to live their maximum and their best quality of life, and also avoid repeat high-risk procedures.
As CoraMetix gears up for more rigorous preclinical trials, the hope is that these 3D printed valves won't just succeed, they will revolutionise the future of heart care worldwide. From Australia to the global stage, this is an Australian innovation that could ensure hearts beat longer and stronger, changing the future of medicine.
We're not just designing a product, we're crafting a future where heart disease no longer steals the lives of our patients prematurely. And we're eager here at CoraMetix to lead that change and to innovate and to make an impact to our patients.